When I was younger, I just loved whodunit novels. Sherlock Holmes, Hercule Poirot, Miss Marple, the lot. My favourite bit of these stories was always the end, the reveal. You know, the bit where the detective gathers everyone together and explains brilliantly how the evidence they have uncovered proves exactly who the killer is. The reader is left astonished and wondering how on earth they didn't see it all along. But what about the main body of your persuasive essay? How can you best present your evidence and show the reader that your point of view has been the right one all along? Let me convince you. This is Think 4. Your main body paragraphs are the major events for your persuasive essay and will take up the majority of your word count. This is where you justify what you believe and build the case that your reader should believe it too. It is important that you only have about 3 or 4 separate points in your essay. When you're arranging your 3 or 4 points, you should start with your strongest, then your least strong, and finish with your second strongest. This ensures that you impress the reader with a powerful beginning and a powerful end. Now that you've planned the order of your points, it's time to get writing. As with any essay, you should begin your paragraph with a topic sentence. A topic sentence is a simple and clear statement that summarises the focus of that paragraph. Now that we've introduced our point, we need to show that we have evidence to support it. This is where you introduce your research. Your research can take the form of statistics, anecdotes, or quotations from experts. However, it is important that you include more than one piece of evidence in each of your main body paragraphs, as this shows that you've researched your point extensively and your argument is not based solely on a single event or expert opinion. A paragraph with thin or no evidence gives the appearance of flimsy opinion and has little persuasive power. But where do we find evidence for our persuasive essays? In modern times, we have access to thousands of sources. All it takes is a click. However, this wealth of information can actually be a problem. Some sources you may find online could be misleading, unreliable, or even completely false. Avoid blogs, unofficial articles, or social media posts, as these are frequently opinion heavy and reality light. Focus on reliable sources, such as well-known broadsheets, government resources, and charity sites. These will equip you with robust and reliable information that can ground your argument in the real world and make it even more persuasive. Once you've laid out your research, you need to explain why this supports your point. Evidence on its own means very little, so you need to guide it towards your own opinion in clear and concise language. You can also use this as an opportunity to use the many persuasive techniques you've learnt in class. However, a note of caution here. Persuasive techniques are crucial if you want to convince your reader of your writing skills. However, too many techniques can undermine your argument and make it seem like a rant more than a reasoned yet passionate essay. Don't be afraid to calmly state your arguments alongside a scattering of persuasive techniques. The great fictional detectives make it sound so easy as they calmly and confidently present their case. In reality though, solving crimes is not always as straightforward. And writing the main body of your persuasive essay can also seem like a daunting task. So break it down. Remember to write out a clear topic sentence. Back yourself up with evidence and explain how that evidence supports your argument. If you do this, then you too can have the reader nodding along to your big reveal. This was Think 4. Thanks for watching.